Animal company! Yay! Guys, where are you going?
It's on a video. Did you know my real name by any point?
Oh no!
He was walking and he just blows up.
Okay, guys, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna play
Oh,
Russian
my
roulette.
now, bro.
We're gonna play
My
Russian
now.
roulette. Men,
I'm going to
playing
rip your
Russian
guts out.
roulette.
Give it to me.
You gotta catch me!
Something on your cheek, Mackie. Play Russian
let's do
roulette.
this,
I have full bullets in my revolver.
No.
First.
Russian
Who
roulette.
wants to be first?
Lads, I genuinely made it so that
going
we
first?
have to shoot each other. Okay, who wants to go first?
Oh, I don't have a
Two people.
revolver.
I need at least 2 people.
Come on, guys.
I'm not
let's go
shooting
outside.
anybody. I'm not shooting myself.
Ooh, bomb.
Bob.
Okay, guys,
I don't know who that was.
Team
Frenzy.
Rocket. Okay.
Don't mind my red watch. Don't mind my red watch, guys.
Okay.
This is the lowest.
How are we meant to
The
get
person who is white,
I found Pablo.
reddish colour. Where are you? Whose name starts with an I? Where?
I am in Happy Daisy Land. I found Pablo. I'm gonna go get it now. I found Pablo. I'm going to go get. Never mind. Never mind. I'm not going to get it.
Ray, can you just go to spawn?
You bastard.
Now beat the shit out of him.
Die!
What? Frenzy. Frenzy. I've got enough of you.
Die!
I'm coming back.
I'll get a bump.
He's gonna chase us. We gotta run. Oh my god.
I hate you guys.
With 2 RPGs.
There is 2. I'm coming back. Never mind. Ooh, box. Ooh, grenade. What the fuck? What's up, bitch? Huh. Guys, I got a bomb. I'm really afraid to use it, so don't. Oh, whatever. You guys suck anyway. Wait, no! My golden pickaxe!
Bro.
Ouch!
This chair looks fire.
Ouch!
This chair is fire.
Ouch!
Okay, Frenzy, let me look at your.
Oh, they died. It's alright, Frenzy.
If he survives this, we kill
the
him.
power! I will explode this right now.
Team Rocket's
my
blasting
pen.
off again.
I'm not lying! I'm not lying! I can blast off.
Okay,
Can we
guys.
blast off
Now
again?
both of us are playing
Team-
Russian roulette.
Team Rocket,
Listen.
blast off again.
Oh my god, Jesus Christ! Frenzy, your finger's moving. Come with me. Frenzy,
Idiot.
you're coming with me, buddy. We're gonna go to a happy place. Look,
Okay.
right behind here.
Happy place.
Yeah. Now make sure you change your channel to 3 so nobody can hear us.
Guys, I'm scared. Couch.
Frenzy, we're going to play
Couch.
Russian roulette.
Couch.
We're gonna play Russian roulette.
Couch.
He's got a bomb! He's got a hell bomb! Help me! He's got a bomb! He's got a bomb! Help me! Hey guys!
Okay, fine. Sit down. Both of you guys sit down.
Rocket podcast!
I'm alive. I'm alive! Run!
I'm not dying. Very
Maggie got plot armor! Maggie got plot armor!
Invincible! I'm invincible, guys! So, first person, who wants to go?
Me. I want to die.
Okay. Okay, Lavender is safe.
Safe.
And I'm gonna give it a random spin. Now who wants to go?
Me.
Okay.
That's me.
Now it's you.
Does it even have any bullets?
Bring the bombs.
No, it has a bullet. Trust me, it has a bullet.
No.
Now, who wants to go next? It's Frenzy.
Me.
Wolf time.
That has no bullets. Doesn't have any.
No, it does. I'm spinning it around
Oh, I
each
see,
time.
I see.
Bring the bombs.
I saw it in there.
Stick collection.
Oh my!
Stick collection.
Stick.
Yes, I got my golden pickaxe back. I need to make a dash for my life.
And we died.
Frenzy!
Well.
That was my stick collection. That was my stick collection.
Alright, guys.
I need money. I need money.
You can't catch me, fat ass.
Can I not?
No.
Oh,
Never mind.
that's a shame, because it seems like I did.
Money, eh? Arr, 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 arr.
Yes.
Oh my god, why is triple
It seems like I
backflip?
catched you.
Ignore my ringtone, please ignore my ringtone.
My main goal is to blow up. Sell the rocket launcher.
Yes! Sell it! Sell it! We gotta sell it, okay?
Sell it.
Sell it! Sell it! Sell it! Yes! We got this! Sell it! Sell it! Wait! I'm in there! I was in there! Ooh, bag.
Listen.
You trapped me in
Sell
there.
it.
You trapped
just
me.
selling frenzy.
I am now the man with 2 guns.
Okay, you can
I am now
just
the
sell
man with
him.
2 guns.
Well,
I was just
The
selling
goat
frenzy.
man, the goat man was chasing me, and then I blew him.
Alright.
Lavender, I found her below. Found her below.
Really?
Yeah, over there.
Where is it?
Let me go mine it.
Buddy.
I got it. This game sucks. I hate you. I hate you. You fucking bitch. Jetpack deploy.
I
Oh.
can't climb. I'm too disabled.
Who are you?
Help me.
Hey, can I have that golden pickaxe? I just lost mine. Lamina killed me when I was trying to get. No. This game isn't fair. Oh crap! Crap! No, guys! I just got my pickaxe! This game sucks. I want my pickaxe back. My
Yes,
pickaxe.
we have Frenzy.
Ah,
2 guns. Frenzy, do you want to go somewhere nobody's ever seen? No, I swear. There's a secret area. I'm not joking. No, swear to God.
Unless it's
And I will
couch,
give you
I will not follow you.
It is a couch.
Ooh, now I'm interested.
Come on.
Couch. But at least we got couch. Wow! Couch! I hate you. Couch is all the way up there. You kidding me? He'll be very pissed. Couch!
So, is Chicken Nugget allowed to sing?
No, Chicken Nugget's never allowed to sing. Anyways, guys, I'm the ruler of the couches! I King Julian.
I love you, King Julian.
Water slide! Water slide! Wee! Water slide!
Friendly, are you still alive? And I'll give you the gun. I will give you the gun, no joke. Where are you guys? I will give you a...
I just went down a giant water slide!
Is that the back rooms? Oh my god, they got the back rooms.
First person to come to the top of couch gets a free gun.
Nuh-uh.
Frenzy, where's Mackie?
He's on top of Couch Mountain.
What do you mean couch?
Frenzy, are you coming?
You know Couch Mountain? We love Couch Mountain.
I can't see!
Follow me.
I'm gonna count down.
Right, guys, first one to make it
You don't get
wins.
the thing.
First one to make it wins the video.
29. 28. 27.
Oh my god! Update is tomorrow!
25.
Whoa. Anyways, blow us up. Blow it up. Restart the repairs.
23,
Restart the repairs.
21.
Yeah, you can blow up, you can blow up!
19.
I don't want to waste my only
17.
ammo that I have.
16.
You don't want to waste your only robot. Crab at it, baby.
12. 11.
Blow us up already!
7. 6. 5.
Wait, is it this way? Nope, not that way.
Here I come. And also...
Oh, we made it! I found it! Ha! I'm better than all of you. You guys suck. I found it.
No. Blow Frenzy up.
Nice try, buddy. I already jumped off the couch.
Forward roll!
I'm better.
Forward roll! That was incredible.
Frenzy. I just loaded a pistol. I'm better than all
look
of you.
behind you.
Blown into smithereens.
I would have gave, but you guys just
kill me.
decided. You said what?
Guys, who wants to go to Planetarium?
Ooh, me!
Hey, Frenzy, what is that? I want to give you a present, man.
No! You'll never
Frenzy,
get.
let's go to Planetarium.
Hey, Mackie, you want the present instead?
Last one, the planetarium's gonna get
I'm
blown
okay.
up.
I'm okay.
No, I'm sure you want it. I'm sure you want it. Yeah.
I'm better than you guys, so I'll find it first. And besides, I need money.
Friend, you've got to run. They both want to blow us up.
You should run.
It's like that one meme.
Right, Andy,
Yeah?
jump down here.
Yeah, I'm at the bottom.
Buddy.
Wait, what do you do? What are you gonna do?
Where did everyone go?
I'm running for my life, that's what.
You don't need to...
Lender's a psychopath.
No, I got Mackie.
I'm still alive. That means I'm a legend Thanos.
Fuck you. I had really rare items in that shit, you fucking... card.
Live Mackie, crash out.
At the bottom.
No! What did I just do? No! No, let me grab it, Yes, no, that was my money. I died. I actually dropped my pickaxe in the lava, then I tried to go getting it. No free Robux for me then. Thanks, bro. Right, let's go kill him.
I think I might just kill him again. Well, you can, I'm not. I don't want to make him angry.
Well, he just had a crash out set. Oatmeal, I'm coming for you, you motherfucker.
I killed him as a joke.
oatmeal. No! No! No!
One eternity later.
Huh? Who is this?
Okay, nothing
Who
here,
is
guys.
this?
We need a look.
Oh, that's
Frenzy's no longer with us, I don't think.
Oh, screw
Lenny,
you!
that's
I hate you.
Oh, wait, he is. Shit, sorry, Frenzy. Oh, I have a loaded gun. I have
Okay.
a fully loaded gun.
Okay. And I survived the nuclear explosion. I have the plot armor, little bro.
Go on, friendly.
Plot armor, this.
Hey, that's not fast. Don't be rude to my friend.
How about you go say that to the mimic right there?
I'm gonna kill you, motherfucker. I'm gonna fucking blow your fucking brain out.
I got your pickaxe here.
Yeah, I seen. You're a legend Thanos, you know? Alright, come on. We need to go get him.
Why are you gonna shoot me?
I'm not gonna shoot you. Come on over.
You are. I heard you reload your gun.
I swear to God.
Hi, guys.
Hi, Frenzy. Hey,
Uh.
right, guys?
Yo, I'm not giving you any more plot armor. You don't get no more plot armor, though. Your privileges are gone now.
Frenzy, I didn't mean to kill you, but you said you had plot armor, so I have to prove that you didn't.
Well, I'm the main character. It's my YouTube channel. Bam 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 bam. Oh, okay.
Why did I die?
Wait, what? Why did you do that?
You killed me!
Maki definitely killed you. Maki's the only one with a revolver. How would I kill you?
Rocket launcher in my backpack. Guess what?
My big, beautiful...
A few moments later.
Well. What's up, my bitches?
Oh, shit.
Is that friendly? Friendly!
Yes. Who wants to step on a landmine?
Hey,
Frenzy, please don't kill me. Frenzy, please.
Can I legally rip you limb from limb?
No. No. Free Robux! Yes! Yes!
Free Robux! Yay!
How much Robux did I get?
Wait, let's see if we got free Robux. Oh my god. We got free Robux!
Nah, we actually got 3 Robux.
I got 4.
I got 3.
Bum.
When there's rain, there's thunder.